Hi students, today we are going to see a problem for NEET in physics which is in the lesson of thermodynamics, right? So problem paranga 5.6 liters of helium gas at STP is adiabatically compressed to 0.7 liters. Taking the initial temperature to be T, the work done in the process is. First of all, question la enna kuduthirukanga pathina 5.6 liters of helium gas at STP. Okay va? So STP molecules adula solranga na, so 1 mole of gas at STP adanoda constant value enna parunga, so which is equal to 22.4 liters, right? இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு இந்த क्वेश्चनல helium gas mention பண்ணிருக்காங்க, which is of the liters, initial liters is 5.6 liters. So in order to convert this value 5.6 into this constant value, we have to multiply by 1 mole and divide with this 22.4 liters. So 5.6 into 4 means 24 to 20, 22.4. So 4 times. So which is equal to 1 by 4 mole of at STP. Right students? So we have to note it down. The first point, the number of moles which is referred to as 1 by 4 mole at STP. Next we have to concentrate on the ideal gas equation, right? So the ideal gas equation we have to relate with this PV the whole power gamma is equal to some constant. Okay, and we have to relate this equation with the equation of ideal gas equation, which is equal to PV is equal to nRT, right? So we have to know that nR is a constant. So taking this V to the right hand side, we will get that P is equal to, okay, so nR into T by V. So in order to convert this value, so P is directly proportional to T by V. Since it is a constant, T by V we have to proportionate with this, right? So substitute this value in the first equation. Substitute the value of 2 in the first equation. Instead of this value, we are converting with T by V. Why we are converting with the T by V means, you know, in the question they have mentioned the initial temperature to be at T, right? So we are converting the value with this P terms. So T by V, okay, into V the whole power gamma is equal to some constant. Okay, so V means that here the power is 1, here the power is gamma. So taking this value to the numerator, we will get the value T into V power gamma minus 1 is equal to the constant. Right students? So we have to know that in the temperature of T, they have asked we want to note the gamma value for the monoatomic gas. Why I am saying the monoatomic gas means helium gas is a monoatomic gas. Helium gas is comes under the monoatomic gas. Monoatomic gas means the gas which contains only one atom is known as a monoatomic gas. Since one atom is present in the helium gas, we have to note that it is a monoatomic molecule, right? So for monoatomic, gamma's value is 5 by 3. So substitute this value. We have to replace this gamma value in the place of gamma here. Since we are relating with the 2 of the liters, see, we are converting the initial volume, right? This V1 is a 5.6 liters, whereas V2 is how much it is converted. It is converted, compressed to 0.7 liters. We are compressing it. The maximum 5.6 gas, we have given the pressure and we have compressed this value to the 0.7 value, right? So take this V2 as 0.7 liters. We want to convert this now, right? So taking this equation, we are relating this with these 2 liters. So T1, right? T1 V 1 power gamma minus 1, which is equal to T2 V2 power gamma minus 1. substitute the values of V1 and V2 which we have mentioned in the question. So T1 into V1's value is 5.6 liters. The whole power of gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 into V2's value is 0.7. So 0.7 the whole power gamma minus 1. So take this value to the left hand side. In order to convert this T2, we are getting this value to the left hand side. So T1 into 5.6 the whole power gamma minus 1 divided by 0.7 the whole power gamma minus 1. In 7 table we can replace this by 8. Right students? So since the bases powers are common, we can relate with these two. So T1 into, how we can write this 8 in power of in power terms 2 to the power 3 is 8. Then the value of gamma is, for the monatomic molecule the value of gamma is 5 by 3. So replace this value 5 by 3 here. So 5 by 3 minus 1. So what will you get? Here you will get 2 to the power 3. The whole power 5 minus 3 is 2 by 3 which is equal to T2. So 3 and 3 get cancelled. So 2 to the power 4 is 2 to the power 4 is 4. So T2 is equal to 4 T1. We have to note this value. Next, first of all, you please note it down these 2 points, students. Then we have to relate with this because they have asked the final question is the work done in the process we have to calculate. In order to calculate, we have to go into the formula, which is the formula is del Q is equal to U plus W. Del U plus W, where comes the work done process. So we have to substitute in that equation and we have to continue with the process. Right? Please note it down. What is the formula for work done, which is the main formula in thermodynamics, is del Q, which is a heat evolved, that is equal to del U, which is the energy, plus the work done. Right students? So we have to know that in an adiabatic process, what is the value of del Q? The value of del Q in an adiabatic process is, del Q's value is 0. You have to note it down, these students, these points you have to be very careful. Because in an adiabatic process, del Q's value is 0. So you have to take this value to the left hand side. In order to calculate this work done alone, you have to take this to the left hand side. So W is equal to minus del U, right? So what is the formula to get this del U, which is the energy, which is minus NCV del T, right? So minus N's value, we do not know the direct CV value. We have to convert this in the R and gamma's form. So gamma minus 1, we are converting this CV's form. Next, del T, which is of the 2 formulas, because we have relating with the temperature T1 and T2. We are getting the comparison between the T1 and T2. We have to reduce this del T as T2 minus T1. So minus N value. What's the value of minus N here? So we have to replace this value minus 1 by 4 into R by, what is the value of gamma? Gamma we have already noted down that 5 by 3 is the gamma's value for monoatomic gas, whereas in a diatomic gas means we have to get by 7 by 5. So R by 5 by 3 minus 1 into, what is the value of T2? We have to replace this 4T1 here. So 4T1 minus T1. So minus 1 by 4 into R by 5 minus 3 is 2 by 3 into 3T1. So getting this value to the numerator, we are getting 1 by 4 into 3R by 2 into 3T1. So what is the solution we are getting now? So minus 1 by 4 into 3 3s are 9RT1 divided by 2. So minus 9RT1 divided by 8. This is the solution which you are getting for this problem. So for this, the fundamental concepts which we are going to relate in this problem, which we are getting related to this problem, is the first main point is, what is the value of 1 mole of gas at STP? We have to note it down this liters, that is 22 liters. We have to first concentrate on that point. Coming to the next point, we have to concentrate on the ideal gas equation. We have to be very careful. We have to record this value. PV is equal to nRT. We have to note that value, and in order to get the comparison, we have to know that PV the whole power gamma is also equal to a constant, and you have to compare what is the question mean, the question what they have mentioned. They doesn't given the direct comparison. They don't have mentioned that it is a monatomic or a diatomic. We could able to know that whether it is a monatomic or diatomic gas. So helium is a monoatomic gas. Since it is only one atom is present in that gas, we have to consider it as a monoatomic gas. Then we have to know that what is the value of gammas here? It is 5/3. We have to know that monatomic gas is gamma's value is 5/3, whereas the gamma's value for diatomic molecule is 7/5. We have to be very careful. Then coming to the next point, what we have to know is, in order to calculate the work done, we have to take this formula. Okay, del Q is equal to del U plus W is the formula. But del Q is equal to 0, since they have mentioned that it is an adiabatic process. They have not mentioned it is an isothermal or isochoric. Isochoric means we have to take another value. They have replaced this as adiabatic process. Adiabatic process means what is the hint word? We have to be very concentrate. So del Q is equal to 0. So substitute this value in this equation. So W is equal to minus U. What is the value of W? What is the value of del U means NCV del T. Del T means a change of temperature. The initial temperature and the final temperature is different, means we have to mention it as del T. Then what is the value of CV? We could not able to directly mention this CV's value. So we are mentioning it as R divided by gamma minus 1. So you have to substitute all the values and get the result, students. This is a very important question which is suitable for both NEET and JEE mains. So please concentrate on all the problems which I am giving you in our video, and please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends in order to get motivated for us. Thank you.